by. Make sure it's money. So
This is right inside the city whiteout. This is crazy.
I can't believe it's this big. Well, they said we were gonna get
Yeah,
it.
look, I can. Oh, I'm losing the car in front of me. Here we go. That's how I have to drive through the storm. You realize? I have to look at my phone so I can see the road.
Really?
You didn't know that?
No, you're not.
You can just look at your phone and you can see the road.
You can actually see it better.
You can see it better, right?
Holy shit. That's a good idea. Great. Yeah, that's a good idea. Like, oops.
Until I smash into the back of somebody and go, oh, he was using his cell phone, officer, I've seen him.
Exactly. Yeah, that's what you get too.
Yeah.
One of my friends has a
This is horrible, lady.
snowmobile, like a snow. You know, they drove down to the store. So some guy follows him to the house where he gets to the house.
Isn't it unreal how much better the camera can see than we can?
It is fucking unreal. That is weird. So the guy fucking follows him to his house and calls the police on him.
Oh.
It says, guy tells him who the guy was driving, so he gets out because he knew they just called the police so he covers the tracks and stuff. He goes, I don't know. He goes, but there was some other guy that drove down and so he called him back on them. I'm like, what the fuck is wrong with you? This is nuts.
It is.
I can't believe it's as bad as it is.
Yeah, I mean, we were all, it hadn't hardly hit us at all. Everyone was speaking too soon.
Now
I said,
everyone's fucking talking.
yeah, now what are you going to do there, genius? Look how bad this is. I can't believe it. Oh, my God. Oh, my goodness.
Either. Where the fuck did it come from?
Look
Really,
at
like, where'd
this.
it come
Oh,
from?
my God. Where's my dog? Miss my dog.
Oh
I want my Gibby. Oh, I can barely see the car in front of me with my naked eye. I can barely see it now with the camera. Oh boy. Just another glorious day. Upstate Blizzard Town. They should call this place Blizzard Town.
It never was like this until now. Like this year's been the worst winter I think we've had.
In a long time. Right?
In a long time.
Yeah,
Yeah, I
right?
say that. I think
Like
we've had.
2007, 2008, right when I first moved up here,
Yep.
that was the winter that y'all all said, oh man, we haven't had this much snow in 20 years, man. It's usually not
yeah.
this bad. It's been real nice last few years. You know how everyone always talks
Yeah.
about the passage.
Yeah, it's been nice.
I
Yeah,
was
this-
like, well, fucking perfect timing
You
for
came
me.
up
This
here
is
and
my
you ruined
first
it.
year. Yeah, I ruined
Now
I
we had bad
moved up
weather.
here. And it actually got better and better each year after that first year. It was like easier and easier and easier. Then we had a
That's
hard winter and then it was easier
Yeah.
and easier. Then we had a hard winter and then now we have this.
Oh, it fucking sucks.
This is incredible.
This is incredible. I hate you right now. This is incredible. Fucking incredible.